I know I said I would not make any more videos this year. I said that in my weekly analysis video last week. However, something occurred this week during the market trading that I wanted to share with you. Plus, at the end, I have a special recommendation for you. So be sure and stay to the end to see that special recommendation. This is not a regular weekly analysis video, as I said. However, I do always share my website with you so that if you are new to trading, or even if you are an advanced trader, you can go to my website, rickrayfx.com/profile, to find out more information about the foreign exchange market. So what is this video about? Well, let's just jump right into it, and I will share with you what happened, what I saw on the charts this week. This is the UJ that we're looking at, the US dollar Japanese yen. And I said in my weekly analysis videos, week after week after week, that you can buy the UJ and almost always make profit. The UJ has not given a bearish signal since July of 2023. However, in last week, I did get a bearish signal. And I talked about that, and I said, well, I don't really like to go short on the UJ because the Japanese yen is so weak that I just don't trust it. However, you should always trust your strategy. And that is my focus in sharing this with you. Trust your strategy. I had a short signal on the UJ, so I gave this signal out. The sell limit that you see on the screen here was from last week's weekly analysis video, with the entry price at 147.55. And as you can see on the screen here, that's where the pending order is, the blue line there. All right, and this is where it finished up on the previous week. Started up towards the pending order, did not execute, came back down a little bit and went back up. And on Thursday, okay, I believe that was on Wednesday, okay, it got really close to the pending order. In fact, it got within 5 pips, but the pending order did not open. But I've told you many times, if you see that, you know it probably is ready to head in the right direction, which it did on Thursday, all right. Started down during the Asian Pacific market and then broke below the Fibonacci line and then continued down, and in fact turned out to be 600 pips in one day. Last Thursday, that was 600 pip move by the UJ. Now that's an extremely unusual move for any currency pair. But this one gave us a profit of 600 pips. Now you say, well, the pending order didn't execute, so my order didn't open. As I've told you before, you see that moving in the right direction, go ahead and take a small trade. And then as it continues to move in the right direction, you can add to a winning trade, and you can do that 2 or 3 times during the trade, all right, and end up with a very, very profitable trade. So the whole focus, the whole point of this video is to share with you that you should always trust your strategy. And that is key. That really is key. A lot of people jump around from strategy to strategy. Well, trust your strategy. All right, you'll see on YouTube many videos and they say, well, 100% profit, never loses. This is the holy grail. Run away from stuff like that. Don't bother to click on it. All right, it's not reality. There is no such thing as winning all the time, 100% of the time, 100% profit. It doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. The reality is that you will lose sometimes. Accept that. All right, but if you'll trust your strategy, if you have a strategy that is consistently profitable, that you win more times than you lose, you can be successful as a Forex trader. Just be willing to trade small. Okay, don't overtrade. In all my years of trading, this is where I see people go wrong. They have a small account and take a big lot size. Well, that's fine if it goes in the right direction. All right, if you have a $1,000 account and you make $500 on one trade, well, that's great. But if it goes against you, which it can, and it will sometimes, you lose $500. You lose 50% of your account. You have to make back $500, or you have to make back 100% of your account to get back to where you started from. And that is not easy. So trade small, don't overtrade, don't overlot, don't be greedy, all right? Be willing to grow your account gradually over time. You start with a small account, and most people do. Be willing to make small wins, all right? Trading big, you'll make a big loss. If you trade small and you make a loss, it'll be a small loss. Okay, grow your account gradually over time. Now, the next thing I want to share with you, and this is something that I saw last week on YouTube. I do follow a couple of good traders, a couple of well-established traders that have big accounts and big success, and they have big YouTube followers, a big number. This guy, Artie, some of you may know him. He has a YouTube channel called The Moving Average. And he came out with a video last week, which is very, very appropriate for this time of the year. And I shared this with you in my video last week, that I don't trade in December. Okay, I do look at the charts, I monitor things, but I'm not serious about trading because December is not a good time to trade. And Artie makes a very, very good video about why you should not trade in December. So I encourage you to watch that. I'll put the link below this video so that you can find it easily. And I just hope, as I said last week, that you will enjoy December, spend time with your family, enjoy Christmas and the New Year holidays, and we will get very, very serious into trading again next year, 2024. I'll see you again on the 8th of January. That's if nothing else happens and I don't make any more videos this year. This is Rick Ray, signing off.